How to make money with website flipping. Research and identify potential opportunities. Here are some additional tips to help you research and identify potential opportunities for website flipping. Niche selection. Focus on a specific niche or industry that you have knowledge or expertise in. This allows you to understand the market, target audience, and potential growth opportunities more effectively. Market trends and demand. Stay updated with current market trends and identify niches that are experiencing growth or have high demand. Look for websites that align with these trends, as they may have more potential for profitability. Analyze website metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics or similar platforms to assess the traffic and audience demographics of potential websites. Look for websites with consistent traffic, organic search rankings, and engaged audiences. Revenue potential. Evaluate the website's revenue potential by analyzing its current monetization methods. Look for websites with diversified revenue streams, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, product sales, or subscription models. Determine if there is room for improvement in the existing revenue channels. SEO analysis. Assess the website's search engine optimization, SEO, strategy and ranking potential. Tools like Moz, Ahrefs, or Semrush can provide insights into the website's backlinks, keyword rankings, and overall SEO health. Identify websites with SEO opportunities that can be leveraged to drive organic traffic and increase value. Purchase a website. Budgeting. Determine your budget for website acquisitions. Consider not only the purchase price, but also additional expenses such as website maintenance, marketing, and improvements. Having a clear budget in mind will help you narrow down your options and make informed decisions. Due diligence. Perform thorough due diligence on the website you are interested in purchasing. Request access to relevant data and analytics, including traffic statistics, revenue reports, and expense records. Verify the accuracy of the information provided by the seller and ensure that it aligns with your own research. Website history. Investigate the history of the website, including its previous owners, any major changes or updates, and any known issues or penalties from search engines. Look for websites with a stable and reputable history, as it reduces the likelihood of encountering unforeseen challenges. Traffic sources. Analyze the sources of the website's traffic. Determine if it relies heavily on a single traffic source, e.g., search engines, social media, referrals, or if it has diversified traffic streams. A website with multiple traffic sources is generally more stable and less susceptible to sudden drops in traffic. Evaluate the website. When evaluating a website for flipping, it's important to assess various aspects of the site to determine its strengths, weaknesses, and potential for improvement. Here are some key areas to evaluate. Traffic and audience. Analyze the website's traffic metrics to understand its current audience reach. Look at factors such as total traffic volume, sources of traffic, geographic distribution, and demographic data. Consider whether the website's target audience aligns with your intended market or if there are opportunities to expand the audience. Content quality and relevance. Assess the quality, uniqueness, and relevance of the website's content. Determine if it meets the needs of the target audience and if it provides value. Look for opportunities to improve the content by adding fresh, engaging, and optimized material that can attract and retain visitors. Search engine optimization, SEO. Evaluate the website's SEO performance to determine if it is effectively optimized for search engines. Assess factors such as keyword targeting, on-page optimization, meta tags, site structure, and backlink profile. Identify areas for improvement and opportunities to increase organic search visibility. User experience, UX. Consider the website's design, navigation, and overall user experience. Evaluate if the website is intuitive, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. Identify any usability issues, such as slow page load times or broken links, and assess whether the user experience can be enhanced to improve engagement and conversion rates. Improve the website. When it comes to improving a website for flipping, there are several areas you can focus on to enhance its value and appeal to potential buyers. Here are some ways to improve the website. Design and branding. Enhance the visual appeal and professionalism of the website by improving its design and branding. Consider updating the website's layout, color scheme, typography, and overall aesthetics to create a modern and visually appealing experience. Ensure that the branding is consistent throughout the site and aligns with the website's niche and target audience. The user experience, UX. Optimize the website's user experience to make it intuitive, easy to navigate, and engaging. Improve the site's loading speed, streamline the navigation structure, and make sure that important information and calls to action are easily accessible. Conduct user testing to identify areas for improvement and gather feedback on how to enhance the overall user experience. Content optimization. Focus on improving the quality, relevance, and optimization of the website's content. Conduct keyword research to identify valuable keywords and phrases that can improve organic search visibility. Optimize existing content by incorporating targeted keywords, improving readability, and adding relevant multimedia elements. Consider adding fresh, high-quality content to attract and engage visitors. Search engine optimization, SEO. Enhance the website's SEO to improve its visibility in search engine rankings. Optimize meta tags, headings, and URLs with relevant keywords. Improve internal linking structure and ensure proper use of heading tags. Consider implementing SEO-friendly URL structure and creating XML sitemaps to aid search engine crawlers.